Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the 7 most highly paid niches on YouTube in 2023, revealing the top content that can make you serious money and grow your channel like never before. Let's start. The top moneymaker on YouTube is all about strategies for making money online. Many people come to YouTube to learn how to generate extra income streams on the internet. Creators in this niche can earn an average of $13.52 per 1,000 views. Some sub-niches, like affiliate marketing, can even reach CPM rates of up to $22. The second most profitable niche is digital marketing. Channels focusing on social media marketing, for example, can earn an average CPM rate of $12.52. Coming in third place is another money-related niche, that is, personal finance and investments. Channels in this category provide advice on topics ranging from stock market terminology to making money through cryptocurrencies. Creators can expect CPM rates of up to $12. The fourth most profitable niche is educational content, which covers a wide range of topics, from educational videos for kids to tutorials on using different kinds of softwares. Creators in this niche earn an average CPM rate of $9.89. Technology, especially cars and gadgets, is another high-earning niche on YouTube. Tech reviewers, photographers, and car enthusiasts can earn CPM rates ranging from $2.39 to $7.31, depending on the specific sub-niche. However, it's important to consider the associated costs of reviewing tech products before expecting higher earnings. Lifestyle content is incredibly popular on YouTube, where viewers love to follow others' travels, careers, and daily lives. Creators in the lifestyle niche can expect CPM rates of around $3.47. Fashion YouTubers are some of the most influential creators on the platform. They shape trends and opinions on fashion, especially through try-on hauls. Creators in this niche can earn an average CPM rate of $3.13. When starting your YouTube channel, choosing a niche from these profitable categories can significantly impact your potential for earning money and building a successful channel. Remember that dedication, creativity, and engaging content are essential factors for success in any niche. Good luck with your YouTube journey.